Okay, good morning. Today is, what's the day today, Jericho? August 10. So today, there's a new creation from Albis Jericho.
It's built by a crane.
He is going to introduce. So Jericho, can you tell me more? What is that? And how does it function? Can you tell me more? You stay here.
This
Oh,
one
go.
is a Hotel Lovi.
Okay.
And it's built by a crane.
Okay.
This is the entrance of it.
Okay.
It has windows,
All right.
even here.
Wow. How many stories is that? How many floors does it have?
So,
It has 7 stories. Oh, okay. It's like I saw a crane there a while ago. How many?
it's 8.
8 stories. Okay. I thought there was a crane. You removed the crane?
Yeah.
Because it's done already?
Yeah.
Oh,
This one
okay.
has a signal.
Oh, it has a
That
satellite.
connects to the signal.
Wow, it has a satellite. Built with a
It
satellite.
connects to the TV.
It connects to the TV. What's the name again of your hotel?
This one is a TV.
It's a TV. Nice.
Lovi.
Hotel Lovi. Okay, that's okay. Can you go beside your creation? I'll take a picture. Okay, go there. Go near. Go near. There, like that, like that. Go. Okay, one.
That's
Just
a
there.
fake one.
Oh, I'm going to upload it now.
No.
What? Not yet?
It has a roof here.
It has a roof. Okay.